তহঁতৰ কাম আছে ইয়াত আহিবি মই নাযাওঁ I'll never go.
This is really a great honor for us, all of us, our family members, and we are very thankful to Filmfare. We are grateful that they have chosen Zubin Garg for the lifetime achievement this year, and then Zubin has won the best singer for Rudra, Agoli Anubhabe, that song, and then they are honoring our film Roi Roi Binale also, Zubin's last venture. So since they had informed me a few days ago, they asked me to come for the award function also. But since after Zubin's event, this incident, unfortunate incident, I'm still mentally and emotionally not ready to attend a public function. I told them about my condition and they took all the pain and they are really very kind that they had come all the way home and handed over the awards, the trophies to us. This is so prestigious and I feel very lucky to hold this for Zubin. He would have been very happy about this, and then for our family, we are really overwhelmed. We are our sincere gratitude to Filmfare and especially to Mr. Jitesh Pillai, Mr. Rachid Gupta. He had been speaking to me, he had been in contact with me, then to Bidutji also. Thank you Filmfare, and they have shown the utmost respect and love and honor for Zubin. So as an artist, he must be seeing all this from wherever he is, and then he must be paying his gratitude and he's expressing his happiness also. Thank you India, and from all of us in the family and from our Assamese film fraternity, we are again thankful.